And for math this week, you guys, we're going to continue to be telling time. Okay? We're going to be telling time, but very differently. Last week we were looking at the units of time. This week we're going to see, oh, do you guys remember them? Let's go through them actually, okay? 60 seconds equals what, Dana?
1 minute.
Very good. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes equals what? Who can tell me? Camille, do you remember 60 minutes equals what? You need to unmute yourself, my love.
1,020. 1 hour.
1 hour. Very good. It equals 1 hour. Excellent. Okay. Dima, 24 hours equals what? What?
Chickens.
Chickens?
Chickens.
Seconds? No. My love, I'm sorry, I'm asking
Day.
Dima. I'm not sure. Thank you. Day. It's 1 day. Okay. Well done. And Domenica, there are 7 days in one
week.
1 week. Okay, 1 week. Okay. And we have 4 weeks in 2 days, or 3 days in what, Tonya? In 1 month.
Month?
In 1 month. Excellent, Tonya. And Maya B, there are 12 months in one. Maya B, there are 12 months in one
year.
Camille.
In 1 year.
In 1 year, okay? In 1 year, okay? Now, these are the different ways that we can tell time, okay? Now, it's very easy for you guys growing up because you have access to cell phones. You have a lot of digital clocks or even smartphones that will tell you the time very easily, okay? However, you need to learn how to read a clock. An analog clock is what we call that, okay? An analog clock. So in order to read the analog clock, we are going to start here, okay? This is a clock. Oh, wait. I have to. Okay. I show you my clock here. Yes, this is my clock. Now, if you see, it has a short, Domenica. Thank you. Okay. It has a shorthand, one that is very small, okay? Maya, sweetie, keep still because we can hear every time you move, okay? The small hand is the hour, okay? The big one is the minute hand, okay? And sometimes we have one that moves very fast. Do you guys know which one is that one? What is the one that moves fast? Dana.
The small, very small one, not middle one. That one.
It's smaller than this one?
Yes. No.
It's actually not going to be smaller. It's actually just going to be thin, okay? It's going to be thin, right? And this one is the one that moves very fast. So we have the small one, which is the hours. We have the big one, which is the minutes. And we have the thin one, which is the seconds. Okay, easy peasy? Thank you. Okay. Now on the clock, we have hours. How many hours, Tonya, do you see on the clock? Tonya, how many hours? There. Oh, sorry, sweetie, I can't hear you. Your mic is muted, okay?
2 hours.
Each number on the clock is an hour. Each number is an hour. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means there are 12 hours, whoopsie, excuse me, 12 hours on the clock, okay? Except that there are 24 hours in one day. So what that means is that we actually need to go through the clock twice to have a day, AM and PM, okay? Now, everyone's eyes should be here on the screen. Everyone should be looking. Camille, you should be looking at the screen, please. Thank you. Valeria, thank you. Here, if you see, each number has a house, okay? Each number has a house. If you see the red here, it's going to be the 12's house. Then we have the 1's house, the 2's house, the 3's house, the 4's house, excuse me, the 5's house, the 6's house, the 7's house, oopsie, sorry, and the 8's, the 9's house, the 10's house, and the 11's house, okay? So each hour has a house, all right?
Wow.
That is very important for you to remember, okay? Because when you see the small hand, who is the hours, he's going to sometimes be in the middle. So Maya, if this hand is here, what hour is it? What hour is it, Maya? Whose house is it in? Look at where it is. Whose house is this?
1 and 2.
No. Whose house is it? We just went over that.
1.
It's the 1's house, right? Okay. Very good. Okay. It is the 1's house. And here, Dana, whose house is it in? My loves, give me 1 second. Dana, whose house is that in?
5. It's what?
It's because, you know what, Miss Because the buzzer downstairs is broken. So I think that's what. But no, she's in class. But if you want, if he can wait like 2 minutes, I will go down. Okay? All right, thank you. Bye. Sorry, my love, that was Miss Vika. She sent me a surprise. Okay.
Wow.
All right, my love. So, class.
Yes.
Okay, so what hour is it? It is 5.
5 hours.
In the 5 o'clock's house. Well done, Rana. Okay. What about this one? Let's see, Dima, whose house is it?
9.
It's in. Are you sure it's in the 9? It's not to the 9 yet.
10.
No, look at where it is, my love.
8.
It's in the 8. Now, Dima, this is you have to be careful because it's always going to be in the number that comes first. Okay. It's not to the 9 yet. Okay, good. It is in the 9's house, or the 8th house, excuse me. Okay. What hour is it here? Camille, what hour is it here? Whose house is the hand in? Whose house is the hand in?
2.
Camille.
2.
In the 2's house. Very good, Camille. Absolutely. It's in the 2's house. Okay. And let's see, Valeria, or no, who's this over here? Valeria, where are you, my love? Okay, she's not there. Domenica, are you there?
Yes.
Domenica, whose house is the hour hand in? What hour is it?
I know.
What is it?
12.
It's the 12. Well done. Absolutely. It's in the 12th house. Okay. Excellent. Valeria, whose house is this one in?
Wow.
Whose house is this one in?
I know.
What, Valeria? Look at the clock, my love. This is here. Whose house is it in? Is it the 10 or the 11? I can't hear you, sweetie. You're muted. You need to unmute yourself and turn on your microphone.
11.
Ah, thank you. Okay. Are you sure? It's not to the 11 yet, Dana.
10.
What?
10.
It is the 10th house. Well done, Dima, as well, okay? It is the 10th house, okay? Excellent, the 10th.
Jojo point for Dima.
All right, Dojo point. All right,
And for me.
okay, thank you. All right, my love, it is. So class.
Yes.
This is what you have to do today, okay?
Wow.
Now, you have two options. You can print this piece of paper out, or you can draw it on the piece of paper, okay? With something that is circle, and you can trace it and then use a ruler, okay? And then, Domenica, thank you. What you need to do is, it's very easy peasy. You need pink, yellow, and blue, okay? You need those three colors because you need to go ahead and color in using the same pattern that we just did, okay? So the 12 here is going to be pink. Okay, so we have pink, we have yellow, and what color comes next, Maya?
Blue.
And we have blue. Very good, okay? So we have pink, yellow, and blue. Domenica, what color would come next?
Pink.
Absolutely.
Pink.
So you need to do the whole pattern. It has to be the same colors, okay? And class.
Yes.
This is very important. I do not want you, excuse me, I don't want you to draw the hands. You do not need to draw the hands on the clock, okay? We will find a different way to do that tomorrow, okay? For now, today, all I want you to do is to draw, to color the clock, okay? Easy peasy?
Not easy.
Okay, so Tonya, do you have a question, my love?
Yes. How do we color all clock?
Yes, you need to color all of it, but you have to promise that you're going to use the same three colors, and you have to do it in this pattern, okay?
You see me I like pink, blue, yellow.
Excellent, Dana. Well done, and that's going to be a good reminder for when you do it. Good job, sweetie, okay? Now, pink, blue, yellow. Pink, blue, yellow. Excellent. Do you have any questions there?
No.
No? Is it easy peasy?
We're not squeezing.